What are refs? Refs are a way to directly access a DOM element or a React component from outside. Think of it like reaching inside a component to grab or change something manually. Usually, we create refs using useRef in functional components. Here's a quick example. In your sarc folder, open your app.js, replace the code with import React, useRef from React, function app, const input ref will useRef null, const focus input equals input ref.current.focus, return div style equals padding 40px, input ref equals input ref type of text, placeholder. Click the button to focus. Button on click of focus input, focus the input button div. Export default app. Save it. Go to your browser, ht/localhost 3000. Now click the button, boom, the input automatically gets focused. This is a basic ref. But here's where the problem comes. If you're trying to forward a ref to a child component, by default, React doesn't allow that. If you just try to pass a ref like a normal prop, it won't actually attach to the DOM element. So we need a special technique called forwarding refs. Let's understand this with an example. In your sarc folder, create a new folder called forwardRef. Inside it, create two files, custominput.js and parent.js. Custominput.js. Normally, you might write a component like this. Import React from React. Function custom input. Return input type text placeholder custom input. Export default custom input. And then in parent.js, import React. useRef from React. Import custom input from custom input. Function parent. Const input ref equals useRef null. Const focus input equals input ref.current.focus. Return div style of padding equals parent component, custom input ref equal ref. Button on click focus input, focus custom input, export default parent. Now try running this in app.js. JSX import React from React. Import parent from forwardRef/parent. Function app, return div parent div. Export default app. Save it. Go to your browser. You'll notice when you click the button, nothing happens. You might even see a warning in the console. Function components cannot be given refs. This happens because custom input is not prepared to handle a ref. So how do we fix it? That's where forwardRef comes into play. Let's update custominput.js. JSX import React. ForwardRef from React. Const custom input equals forwardRef props ref. Return input ref equal ref type text placeholder custom input. Export default custom input. Notice that we wrap the function with forwardRef. The ref now gets properly attached to the input. Save the file. Go back to your browser. Now when you click the button, yes, the custom input gets focused perfectly. We successfully forwarded the ref. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.